Let's look at even and odd numbers. A number is odd if the unit digit is odd. 7 is odd, so 17 is an odd number. Sum of digits means add up all the digits in the number. 1 plus 7 equals 8. Sum of the digits is even because 8 is even. A number is even if the unit digit is even. 8 is even, so 18 is an even number. 1 plus 8 equals 9. The sum of the digits is odd because 9 is odd. Let's look at some examples. The number is even and sum of digits is odd. For example, 12. 12 is an even number. Sum of digits, 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 is odd, so sum of digits is odd. The number is odd and sum of digits is odd. 21 is an odd number. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Sum of digits is also odd because 3 is odd. The number is even and sum of the digits is even. 22 is an even number. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Sum of digits is also even because 4 is even. The number is odd and sum of digits is even. 31 is an odd number. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Sum of digits is 4 and 4 is even. How many even two-digit numbers have an odd number as the sum of their digits? The tens plus the ones equals to the sum of digits. Now the sum is odd. When the number is even, that means the ones are even. Even digits are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. What plus even is odd? Odd plus even equals to odd. The tens can be 1, or 3, or 5, or 7, or 9. If the tens is 1, it can match with the digits in the ones. It is 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. When the tens is 3, it can make another 5 numbers. When the tens is 5, it can make another 5 numbers. So we have 5 lots of 5. 5 times 5 equals to 25 even two-digit numbers. Many odd two-digit numbers have an odd number as the sum of their digits. The tens plus the ones equals the sum of digits. Now the sum is odd. If the number is odd means the ones is odd, then it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then what plus odd is odd? Then the tens must be even. Even is 2, or 4, or 6, or 8. We cannot start with 0, otherwise it is not two-digit number. Then we can have 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. We can make 5 numbers. If the tens start with 4, we can make another 5 numbers. Then we can have 4 times 5. We can have 20 odd two-digit numbers. How many even two-digit numbers have an even number as the sum of the digits? The sum is even. The number is even, that means the ones are even. What plus even is even? The tens must be even as well. If the tens is 2, Then we can have 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. When the tens starting with 2, we can make 5 numbers. When the tens is 4, we can make another 5 numbers. So altogether, we can have 4 times 5, 20 even two-digit numbers. How many odd two-digit numbers have an even number as the sum of the digits? The tens plus the ones equals to the sum of digits. Now the sum is even. If the number is odd, the ones must be odd. Then what plus odd equals to even? Odd plus odd equals to even. The tens must be odd. The tens can be 1, or 3, or 5, or 7, or 9. If the tens is 1, then it can be 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. It can make 5 numbers starting with 1. Then we can make another 5 numbers starting with 3. Then we can have 5 lots of 5. We can have 25 odd two-digit numbers.